This video provides a walkthrough of ways to manage accommodations for quizzes and assignments in Brightspace. You can add accommodations at the assessment level or at the student level. I'll walk through both. To add accommodations at the student level, once you're logged into your course, navigate to Manage Course in the top navigation bar and choose Class List from the drop-down menu. Here you'll be provided with a full list of users in your course. Find the user that requires accommodation and select the drop-down menu beside their name and choose Edit Accommodations. Here you can edit accommodations for quizzes. Select Modify Time Limit, and you'll notice two options: multiplier of original quiz time or extra time. So say, for example, the student requires 1.5 times or 50% more time for all quizzes. I'll select the radio button beside the box for times and add 1.5. Now this particular student is allowed 1.5 times the amount of time for the quiz. Say, for example, the student requires twice as much time. I can also change that number to 2. Extra time allows you to add a very specific amount of minutes to each and every quiz. So say, for example, I wanted to add 15 minutes for every quiz, I can just select extra time and put in 15. For this example, we'll say the student requires twice as much time. So I'll leave that at 2 and press Save. So instead of having to go into every single quiz, I can make this edit here, and now for every quiz, this particular student has twice as much time. You'll notice that it went through because this accommodation icon appears beside their name. Now the other way to add accommodations is through special access in each quiz or assignment. The process is the exact same. I'll use a quiz, for example. Navigate to Assessments and choose Quizzes. You can create a new quiz or edit an existing quiz. Select the drop-down menu beside the quiz name and choose Edit if you're editing. On the right-hand side, you'll see Availability Dates and Conditions. Select that header to open up the drop-down and select Manage Special Access under the Special Access heading. Here I have two options: allow selected users special access to this quiz, or allow only users with special access to see this quiz. I want everyone to see this quiz. I just want to add special access users. So I'll make sure the first option is selected, and then I'll choose Add Users to Special Access. There are a number of options here. I can change the due date, the availability dates, the timing. So I can set a specific time limit or have no time limit at all. And I can also change the number of attempts that this particular student has. If I scroll down under Users, I can select which student or students require this special accommodation, and then choose Save. Here I can see the edit that I made and the accommodated student and their information, and then I can choose Save and Close. And that's it. And this is the same process for assignments as well.